Welcome to Hyderabad Metro Rail. This is the outside view of Hyderabad Metro Rail at Numaish 2014. Dr. S.K. Joshi, Principal Secretary to Government, MA and UD Department, Director HMR, has inaugurated the Hyderabad Metro Rail stall at All India Industrial Exhibition Numaish 2014. Shri NVS Reddy has explained about the model of HMR railway station to the visiting dignitaries. The Hyderabad Metro Rail stall at Numaish was very popular with Hyderabadis. Different segments of people came in huge numbers to the stall. Many Hyderabadis at the Numaish 2014 were all praises for the metro coming to Hyderabad. Here is what some of them have to say. Come, be a part of the revolution. Join HMR to make Hyderabad a green and eco-friendly city.
Hi, how do you feel metro coming to Hyderabad?
First of all, it's a great privilege for all of us, the citizens of Hyderabad, for metro coming to this city. It's making a metropolitan city, so we are very happy. To begin with, we heard about the ticket prices. It's from 8 to 19, quite affordable. So the common people can also travel through metro. Not only this, we also have proper seating for ladies and all. That is the main thing which we needed. Also, about the timing, coming to the timing, it's reducing the travel time a lot. Approximately at around 1 hour or so, and more than this, actually I felt like there should be few more stations adding up, a little areas to be covered, but apart from all that, it's too good. We are enjoying it and waiting for it eagerly.
So do you really think the traffic in Hyderabad will be reduced by the metro rail?
Yeah, definitely, why not? It's reducing the travel time, so obviously, and it's gonna carry 50,000 passengers per hour in each direction. So obviously the traffic time will be reduced.
So do you have any suggestions or perspective from your side?
It's a very big project. I am not too big also to give a suggestion, but only suggestion is it's not covering few areas which we expected to. But there are merry-go-round buses which are covering those areas. So I'm quite happy with that.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
How do you feel metro coming to Hyderabad?
It was I really felt very good, and it was a really excellent experience I got after coming here. And we came to know about all the metro and all the where all these trains are going and all. So like after coming this exhibition, people really get the information how to travel and where to get and all. So it was really good experience.
Do you think the traffic in Hyderabad will be reduced by the metro?
Yeah, I really think, because after every 5 minutes they have made it for every station they have made trains for every after 5 minutes. So like it has radially mainly reduced the crowds in any place.
Do you think the security and everything in metro, what do you think about the security in metro?
I think for girls the metro has given a great security, because they are checking at every checkpoints everything, and those people like only educated persons are coming for metros and all. So at one point it has giving such kind of security. I think because.
Do you have any suggestions or anything for the metro?
No, I don't think so, because this is the good I felt. So I don't have any new suggestions. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.